Now I'm going to teach her how to make biryani. So, you know how to cut it?
From here?
I will tell you.
Maybe no. Your mother sees it in the photo, of course.
It's okay, it's okay. ਲੈ ਭਾਈ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਗੰਡੇ ਕੱਟਣੇ ਸਿਖਾਏ ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੋ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਗੰਡੇ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਕੱਟਦੀ
White shirt.
have to put oil. But in real, oil is very bad. But if you are eating biryani and you eat biryani only once a month or like this, it's good to, it's worth it to put it.
There.
It's already cut or not?
No.
And then you have to put inside this one. When you're starting red, no? Until it will be red, a little pinkish, so you have to do like this. So now take this one and put inside. I have almost 1.5 kilo chicken, so take some. 1, 2, 3, un poco.
Ya está.
Put. Show it.
Ya. Pimienta, pimentón picante.
And take a. You don't have to break it all because we could use it later also. Take a glass, cup. Now this one, this. Measure it. How many person we are?
2.
Wow. 2.
But if we make more, it's better, eh? Because we will be in the mountain.
इधर अपना हो गया तैयार बनता पिया now it's start being paste, you know paste.
Yeah.
So it's being paste. No. So now we have to take the chicken. So chicken we have to put it inside. You have to take it and mix it very good. Mix it. पानी छटन लग गया तो पानी छटन लग गया मेरा मतलब है कि and we didn't put anything inside. There is no water. We didn't put single water. This is the water of coal. But if clearly the water, it means that everything is going to. So now you want to taste it. Very good taste. कुछ भी नहीं बस आप चौल पा के तो पानी पा देना पाता दे चो तो आप थोड़ा जा मिक्स करते हैं ਲੈ ਬਈ ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਮਾਲ ਕੱਢਿਆ ਜੀ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਚੱਕ ਉਹ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਚੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੌਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਖਾਈਏ
How many you put on this plate?
You made it Who make it?
Me.
So ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਬਣੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਣੀ ਨਿਕੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਸੀ ਆਵਰ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟ Mama, what you make for me? Show me.
It's warming.
It's not hot.
It's wait. My God.
How can you make this kind of things? You are so intelligent. So who? So now, who will going to start? You make it and you will eat first. Huh? It's for camera. No? I think that no.
I swear you, I love it. This one is better
Better than what?
than what we know.
Better than this down? No.
It's different, baby. It's like more similar like a paella.
So somebody make first time for me biryani. So
You know, you make it, eh?
No, you make it.
You make it.
The smell is so good. It's good.
Only for the video.
No, it's good. Of course, it's good. As we didn't put anything here, spices, so it's good for that. No picante, no mucho sal.
I think one day we have to go to my grandparents' home and you have to make a paella.
It's like a paella.
Yeah, that's why. We will do it so good.